Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a table in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Open your Google spreadsheet. Create a blank spreadsheet. Press delete on your keyboard. Then select cells. Press Ctrl V and resize the cells. Fix. Okay. Then Mars. Okay. Name. Subject. Marks. Okay. Name. Press enter. Press again enter. Enter. Subject English, press enter. Bangla, press enter. Math, marks, press enter. Press enter. Okay, then select table area. Click border. Okay, then bold text. Again select data or full table. Click data tab, create a filter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.